Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add like free LUT plugins into your videos on CapCut PC. So if you go to the Adjustments tab, there is an LUT tab here. So you're just going to press that and import the LUTs. So just type in free LUTs. You'll see them everywhere, and it's like a cube file. You can insert everything. So I think I'm just going to select all of it and open, and it's going to import the LUT into CapCut PC. The plugin, this is I think the only like color grading plugin you can use on CapCut. Select the one you want to use and you can place it on your videos like this. Or you can also go to adjustments on your video and then change the LUT there. You can adjust the intensity of the LUT. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple to use. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.